Don't break the thing.
No. They're, like, you know what I mean? Like it pops.
Can't you just teach the bug how to get out of the hole? It got in the hole.
What is there a top?
Not like...
Oh, it came through the top. The fuck was that?
Do it again, do it again, do it again.
No! I have no desire to ever do that again.
Do it again.
Like, that was like a sanctioned being screaming. You can't eat that. It's like God or something. I'm so sorry. What the fuck was that? Dude, that was like otherworldly.
We're just like, come on, get that bug from me.
Oh my God, bro. Dude, that was like... That's a spirit. I've never heard that.
Mickey's sleeping.
Never heard that. You can have that one. That one's not real.
I want you to make that noise again.
That was crazy.
Just touch it.
Heard that before?
No, never in my life. Come on, buddy. Oh, you got it, you got it, you got it. You know you're gonna lose your mind if it squeals again.
100%.
Is he figuring it out?
What was that goddamn noise? We're done. That was insane. Have you ever heard that before?
That was good stuff. Sorry, Bert. No cicadas next.
That was insane.
Just calm down to figure it out. Just one wing out.
He's right there. Right there.
I mean, it's probably just born like a day or two ago.
Right?
It's glad to learn. Can you imagine that emerging on an alien planet?
Dude, and like, you know, you're like, you know, who tells you, like, you're the guy causing my pain.
Right.
And like, the more I try to help you, the more you scream.
Right. I mean, he needs to reproduce and die. He needs to get out of there. He doesn't have much time.
That's a trick. Is what, 2-3 days tops?
I don't know. Birds just give it up. I really want to help him.
Same. I really want to get him out.
But we scream every time we scream. Like, what's he really going to do to us?
I mean, nothing, but like, it does do what it does. It's very revolutionary type man. And he's still alive.
Come on, buddy. You know what you gotta do. It's really our life instead of watching TV, we're watching it.
I know. Everybody's rooting for you.
Buddy.
Don't give up.
Alright, we'll come back to you later. He goes out and then he goes back in. Come on. Love when he jumps in the air and catches him.
He's surrounded by these fools that want it. Throw them right there, right there. That guy.
Oh, he's figuring it out. He's figuring it out. He's gonna fly right over her head. He's scared.
Guy.
Use the stick I made you. That's why I'm hoping they'll see the stick and just climb down it, but he has like 2 legs out.
No spring. Just fall.
Just fall and fly. He has his legs, he's just hugging it. He's huge.
I know. I mean, he was making that noise and everything. You know what? There you go, bro.
You're just gonna kill him?
No, I'm not gonna kill him. I'm gonna push him out.
You're gonna scream.
I know, but
Don't scream because I keep sleeping. Use the other side that's falling.
he needs to go up and out.
Alright, he's talking to us.
Go up.
Now there's 2 in there.
Go up. Guys, go up.
The other guy got out.
We got up. See?
See, he's trying to help you. Trying to show you what to do. He's trying to show, the moth's trying to show him what to do.
Follow the moth. Follow the moth.
Look, the moth is wise.
Brute, get ready. Get ready. Where the fuck are you?
He's on the string right there. He's on the string. Right there on the string.
Oh shit. Brute, get ready.
He's climbing back in there, the dumbass. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't
Do it, don't do it.
Don't do it. Did he go back in there?
No, I think he's up here now.
Oh, he's up on the top. Alright, let's just let him live his life
So now he's free.
for now. And Brutus has no cicada. And he flew back in there.
That's crazy, dude. Like now I'm kind of hoping that like Brute eats him.
I don't know, he's never getting out now.
I'm scared of you.
You're out, we're gonna fly off.
Not from me. 100% on you. That's called choice.
It's called choice.
And the Bruce right underneath, you're about to fucking kill you. Kill him, Bruce. Come here. Get him. Get him. If he doesn't get out, it's fucking,
It's his fate.
Squid Games. Squid Games this bitch.
Fly away.
That's crazy. That motherfucker is, you know.
That was way better than my stick. I think it's.
Wow. Yeah.
Where is the stick to hit him with? Bert, come here. Just grab a screwdriver. No, you could do it. He's going back in. I'm too short. Here. Dumb. You really went back in?
Dumb motherfucker.
Alright, he's done.
Brute, come here.
No, we're making too much noise. We need to be done. Eyeballs on that thing.
Get ready.
He's going back in. He's going back in.
Fuck. You kidding me? Fucking kidding me?
I think this is his face.
Fucking
I'm out of his misery at this point.
not what he was suffering at all.
I know, but he's causing himself. Brooke, where are you? This is a whole new level of stupidity for us. I'm just
100%.
Get away from light, get away from light, get away from light. Go away from light.
Eat it, Bruce. Tell it.
Where is it?
Don't let it live, dude. Don't let it live.
Where is it? You flung it at me, is it on me?
No fucking way. There's no way. It's dead. It's gotta be dead.
You hit it so hard.
I'm sorry.
You tried so hard to save its life.
There's no way it's alive, right?
That might be the funniest
Is it
thing.
like a horror
You
movie?
hit it so
There's
hard.
no way it's alive.
Directly at me. Are you sure it's on my hair or anything?
There's no way. Hold on. Just be sure it's not climbing anything. Okay. No.
Wait, did Bert get it? Do you have them? Oh, he took your weapon.